Hey all, Chosen1354 here, and today we are going to be making a full body spinner. Now, in the previous episode, we created a horizontal spinner, and a show spinner is literally like the horizontal spinner. The weapon spins in a horizontal fashion. However, unlike the horizontal spinner where it has just a long bar, this full body spinner has a shell, a protective shell that comes over the entire body of the bot and spins around. So I think I have a pretty good idea for how we're going to do this today. There's quite a few different ways that you can do this. First off, you want a good solid body. And here I'm going to drag the box out here. I'm going to give it a nice low base, maybe 10. Going to stretch it out to about 30. And then if you look at it, the corners of the box right here might get in the way of the show. So what we are going to do is we are going to kind of round out the edges here. Just like that. Now we've got a nice rounded shape. And then we're going to use our classic cylinders. We're going to make the wheels. Alright, now we got a wheel like that. We'll put it in the body. Just like that. Alright, there we are. And we're going to bring this up. Or just one. There. Now it looks nice. Alright, so normally for a full body show spinner, what you do is you grab a cone and then a box hole, and then you group these together to give a nice dome shape. And then when you duplicate it, change that to a hole, group it, and now we got a nice hollowed out form right there. However, I have, I think, a better idea than just a shell like that. Now the shell doesn't have to be a dome. What we're going to do instead is we're going to grab a circle, and we're going to make this have 6 sides. So now it has 6 sides. So we're going to grab the polygon and grab and use the 6 sides. Alright. And we're going to duplicate it. Make it a hole. Group it. That way we don't have to worry about getting the top of the bot right. Or the top of the shell the right height. Alrighty. We can move this top right here just a little bit. We can bring shell itself just a little bit off the ground. Alright, so now we got a shell. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the box shape. We're going to grab this and we're going to add teeth. Add teeth to the body. Because you need something to hit your opponent. Okay, now we can group all these things together. Alright, and let's go to the sim lab so we can add the connectors. It's a bit tricky to add connectors to this type of bot because the shell kind of hides everything. Everything's centered. What we gotta do is we gotta lift it up. Drop it down. Alright. The tires, we hit continuous. Goes forward, the other we reverse. I'm completely wrong. There we are. Alright. I'm gonna start off at about there. Alright, it's popping up a little bit. What we can do is I'm going to set the color to white. I'm going to put it transparent. That way we can see what on earth is happening on the inside. So one of the tires glitched out. Which is very interesting. we can do is reset the tires to rubber, give some grip. It'll spin around until it finally gets the enough grip. Let's set the weapon to steel. But you can see that it will start off going all over the place, and then it will slowly recover. That is the big thing about full body spinners, is that when it starts off spinning, it will spin in a circular position, or it'll just keep a circular pattern going until it is able to recover. We're going to give our bot some running room. Just a little bit of running room. I mean, when you put it into the arena, depending on the arena that I use is a relatively small arena. It won't really matter about control. It's just you want to make it to where it has enough weight that it stays on the ground and doesn't go flying up. So you can see there's something here. It's not sitting well. We are popping up off the ground. That is something we do not want to see. And you see it once it recovers, though, it does go straight. I'm going to try to see. Bumping up to 15. If that will help it keep on the ground. Hey, that actually looks better. We are staying. Okay, so we are staying off the ground now. Doesn't look like we're popping up anymore. So that is great. I kind of like the red and blue theme on this spot. That's what we're going to do. Okay, nice red and blue. Alright. So there is our full body spinner bot. Usually this is the time where I go and I try to make it fancy, but I think it actually looks pretty sick already as it is. So go ahead and comment what I should name this robot. I'll pick the top comment to do so. And then I shall see you guys in the next episode.